Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to be looking at gradient. Gradient, by definition, is the measure of a slope. Measure of a slope. So for you to be able to find the gradient, you need 2 points that are on a straight line. 2 points that are on a straight line. So let's say we have line AB, and A is x1, y1, and B is x2, y2. So the formula for our gradient will be equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So for example, if you get a question that says find the gradient of the line passing through the points, find the gradient of the line passing through A, point 2, 1 and 0.773, and B 6, 0 and -2, 4. So we're going to look at part A first. So part A, we have got 2, 1 and 7, 3. So we're just going to relabel our coordinates. So this one is x1, y1, and this one is x2, y2. So our gradient, which is usually denoted by an M, will be equal to, let's just rewrite our formula like this. So our y2 will be equal to 3, our y1 will be equal to 1, our x2 will be equal to 7, and our x1 will be equal to 2. So on top we'll get 2, at the bottom we'll get 5. So which means our gradient for part A will be equal to 2, will be equal to 2 over 5. Let's look at part B. Part B, we have 6, 0 and -2, 4. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, and our gradient will be equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is equal to 4, y1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to minus 2, and x1 is equal to 6. So here you get 4 over minus 8, which gives us our answer is minus half. So this will be the gradient of part B. So our gradient can be in fraction format, it can be positive, and it can also be negative, depending with the direction of our slope. So the importance of gradient is you need it when you want to find the equation of a straight line. You need gradient when you want to find the equation of a straight line. So here I'm just going to write finding equation of a straight line. Finding equation of a straight line. Okay, so for you to be able to find the equation of a straight line, you need to have this. Number one, you can have 2 points on the straight line. Number two, you can have 1 point on the straight line, and gradient. Okay, so we're just going to look at some examples of how to find the equation of a straight line. Let's say you have a question that says let's see. Find the equation of a straight line passing through 2, 4, passing through 2, 4, and 1, 1. So the equation of a straight line is always in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y intercept. By intercept we mean where it crosses the y-axis, So here we need to find the gradient. So our gradient will be equal to, so here I'm just going to write x1, y1, and here x2, y2. So let's find the gradient. Here we say y1 is 1 minus y2 is 1 and y1 is 4. X2 is 1 and x1 is 2. So our gradient will be equal to here this is minus 3 and here this is minus 1, and you get your answer is positive 3. So now we have the gradient. So what do we need to do? We go to the equation of a straight line. It looks like y is equal to mx plus c, right? So here we can substitute the gradient and put the value. We're going to have, so say the first stage is substitute m and put the value of m. Okay, in the next stage now we take any of the two coordinates, because we know these coordinates are always in the form xy, right? So it doesn't matter which one you're going to use. You can take 2 4 or you can take 1 1. So I'm just going to use 1 1 1. So it means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So I go into that equation now. I substitute y and x. So y is equal to 1 and x is also equal to 1. So now we are finding the value. So we say find the value of c. Value of c. So the first thing, find m. That's part 1. Part 2, substitute m. Part 3, find the value of c by substituting x and y. So now here you're going to have 1 is equal to 3 plus c, and 1 minus 3 is equal to c, which means minus 2 is equal to c. And now our equation will look like this. Y is equal to 3x, and our c here is equal to minus 2. So our equation for this line will look like this. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. So this is one way of answering a question to find the equation of the straight line passing through 2 points. So let's look at another type of question that says find the equation of a straight line, or it says a straight line of gradient 7 passes through point minus 3 6, passes through point minus 3 6. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. So this is the second type of question, where you have the gradient in one point on the line, and you have been asked to find the equation of the straight line. So the first thing that you need to do is to write the general equation of a straight line. It's supposed to look like this, and we are told our gradient is equal to 7, and the gradient is m. So m is equal to 7, and xy is equal to minus 3 6. So we have value for x, value for y, and value for m. So we go to our general equation of a straight line. We substitute to find the value of c. So y is equal to 6, m is equal to 7, x is equal to minus 3. Then we can find the value of c. So this is 6 is equal to minus 21 plus c, and here we say 6 plus 21 is equal to c, and 27 is equal to c. So our equation for this straight line will look like this: y is equal to 7x plus 27. So this is how you would find the equation of a straight line when you are given the gradient and one point that lies on that straight line. So that's all I had for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.